Okay, so in this first video, we're just going to look at one of the ways you can join your online class. So it's via Google Classroom, okay? So I'm going to press play and just talk over this video and highlight a couple of the things as we see it. So the first thing you want to do is to enter your classroom. So you click there. And then what I want to do here is we're going to highlight where to click to join the online class, okay? So this part here, where it says join, that's where we want to click, and that will bring us to kind of like the door to the online class. So you'll see that. So this is what you'll see then. Okay, so before you enter the class, there's a couple of things I want to highlight here. So you have a microphone and a camera function. So you're going to see me pop up on the screen now in a second. There I am. So this is the microphone button here, okay? And, you know, we can mute ourselves. And this is the camera button. We can turn our camera on and off. So before you enter, it's a good idea to press the mute, press the camera off, and then over here we have join now, and we'll enter the class. And it should look like this before your teacher joins. And once your teacher has joined, you'll be able to get access into the class.